Is it possible to treat ADHD without medication? There is a lot of misinformation out there about what does and what does not work for your child's ADHD. I'm Dr. Williams. I'm a board certified pediatrician and father of 5 of my own, and I happen to have ADHD myself. I'll tell you the facts we know about natural treatments for ADHD, what's safe for your child, and what works and what doesn't, and when or why we might be better off with a more traditional ADHD medicine. Behavioral therapy teaches your child certain skills and strategies to help them manage certain ADHD symptoms, and in the right kid, this can be pretty effective. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oils have been found in some studies to have a moderate benefit to some children with ADHD. An elimination diet might be helpful for your child if there's certain food sensitivities that exacerbate your child's ADHD symptoms. I know that red food dye gets a lot of attention here. Mindfulness activities have been shown to improve focus and emotional regulation, but studies are kind of mixed whether it's going to help your kid with ADHD. And as a pediatrician, I'm never going to say no to rigorous sleep hygiene or good exercise habits. And then we can kind of get lost in the weeds with things like zinc, iron, and magnesium. Now, the zinc and iron studies showed they might help your kid if they already have a deficiency in those micronutrients. And then the magnesium studies are a little more complicated. We'll call them mixed at best. I can go into more detail there if you want to, but that's a whole other conversation. The uncomfortable truth is that we really haven't found anything that works as well as traditional ADHD medicine. And if you're worried about starting your child on an ADHD medicine, trust me, I get it. But if you're doing it right, I promise they work. If there's interest, I will do a whole video about the risks versus benefits of traditional ADHD medicines. But in the meantime, you can definitely try the things I mentioned in this video first. Make sure you're following TikTok Kid Doc for evidence-based help raising thriving and healthy kids.